Good day, everyone. In this video, I will creatively present the nature, goals, and perspective of anthropology, sociology, and political science, and how these social sciences help us understand human life and society. Anthropology explores human life across time and across diverse culture around the world. It seeks to understand how humans originate, how societies develop, and how culture shape the way people think, behave, and interact in their everyday lives. The main goal of anthropology is to study human origins, traditions, beliefs, values, and social practices, both in the past and in the present. Anthropology examines languages, rituals, customs, and social systems to understand how people adapt to their environments and how cultural knowledge is passed from one generation to another. By studying anthropology, we develop a deeper respect for cultural diversity and gain a broader perspective on human differences. At the same time, anthropology helps us recognize the shared experiences, common values, and similar. By studying anthropology, we develop a deeper respect for cultural diversity and gain a broader perspective on human differences. At the same time, anthropology helps us recognize the shared experiences, common values, and similarities that connect all people, reminding us that despite our differences, humanity is united as one global community. Anthropology also includes several branches, such as cultural anthropology, which studies tradition and beliefs, biological anthropology, which examines human evolution and physical development, and archaeology, which studies past societies through artifacts and remains. Through anthropology, we learn how culture influences identity, behavior, and social relationships. Through anthropology, we learn how culture influences identity, behavior, and social relationship. This descriptive line helps promote cultural understanding, reduce prejudice, and encourage respect for a different way of life, making it essential in a diverse and globalized world. Anthropology uses various methods, such as observation, fieldwork, and interview, to study how people live, communicate, and organize their communities. This method allows searchers to gain first-hand knowledge of cultures and social practices. Anthropology also includes several branches, such as cultural anthropology, which studies tradition and beliefs, biological anthropology, which examines human evolution and physical development, and which studies past societies through artifacts. Sociology focuses on the study of society, social relationship, and group behavior. It examines how individuals interact with one another and how social institutions such as family, education, religion, and media shape human behavior and social life. The main goal of sociology is to understand the patterns of interaction and the structure of society, including how social issues such as inequality, poverty, education, and gender roles affect people's opportunities and experiences. Sociologists study how social rules, norms, and expectation influence the way people think and act within different communities. Through sociology, we learn that individual actions are often influenced by social forces beyond personal choice. This discipline helps us become more aware of social problems, develop empathy toward others, and understand the importance of cooperation and social responsibility in building a more just, inclusive society. Political science studies power, governance, and political system at the local, national, and global levels. Examine how governments are formed, how laws and public policies are created, and how authority is exercised within society. Political science analyzes different forms of government, political institutions, and leadership style of understand how political system function. The main goal of political science is to analyze how political decisions are made and how these decisions affect individual, community, and entire nation. These include studying elections, political practices, public opinion, and the role of criticizing and shaping government action. Political science also explores issues such as justice, freedom, equality, and human rights. Through the study of political science, citizens are empowered to better understand their rights and responsibilities. This discipline encourages informed participation in civic life, critical thinking about politics issues, and active involvement in democratic processes, helping to strengthen good governments and promote a more responsibilities and engaged society. Anthropology, sociology, and political science help us understand humanity, society, and governance. Using ICT skills such as video editing, visual and sounds, we can creatively share knowledge and ideas. Thank you for watching, and God bless.